Since the plus does nothing, so why are we using them? Why do we even write plus? So think about if a term has a variable instead of a value. So this is x with a symbol. So the x, let's say x can be any integers. So x can be positive or negative, which means the x already has the sign in it, not this one. The sign is already within the x, which means this one cannot be a sign. This will be a plus then, the plus operator. So we have plus x here, which means we have to expand the definition of term into this. So the term has a plus or minus operator with a variable. So plus x minus y plus m minus n plus c. And there's also several rules to mention. Oops. So you may already notice that I am omitting the positive sign for the first term. Like here, this is positive 2, negative 6. This is 2, negative 6. And they means the exact same thing, because the positive sign for the first term can be omitted. Similarly, this is plus x negative 5. The plus for the first term as variable x can also be omitted. So we have x negative 5. While minus y positive 7 cannot be changed, because if we omit the minus, then it is y positive 7, and then it loses some meaning. However, if we really want to omit something, we can rearrange the terms here, so it becomes positive 7 minus y. Oh, this is the first term, and it has a positive sign, so I can omit this, and then it will be equals to 7 minus y, and it means the exact same thing. You see, by doing all of these, I save the energy to write less. You may also notice I use something that is undefined yet, so let's define that. So this is a bracket. I used brackets previously in here. So brackets, why am I using it? So it's added to a term to separate two consecutive plus or minus symbol, or positive sign or negative sign. So I call them symbol because they can be either sign or operators here. So they're right next to each other, so I'm like using a bracket to separate them. And why do I need to do this? So let's look at several examples. So we have 3 plus x, and let's say where x is equals to negative 4. So I want to continue this calculation now knowing the value of x. So then we substitute negative 4 into x. So we have 3 plus negative 4. Then it's very clear that what's within the bracket was x. Okay. And then plus is a slight n, so positive 3 and negative 4. So we have positive 3 and negative 4. Then we have negative 1. Okay. And then let's see, let's do one more 3 minus x. So we're going to do 3 minus x, where x is also negative 4. And I write 3 minus, substituting negative 4 into x. So negative 4. Oh, then we have 3 plus 4, or 3 positive 4. Then we have a positive 7. Okay. So the bracket make it very clear that what we are substituting, and it separate the operators with the sign, so that we know, oh, this is a sign, this is the operator. Okay. So one last example. Evaluate 5 plus minus x, where x is negative 4. So in situation like this, we always substitute last. We have simplify the expression first, and then we substitute. So we have 5 plus minus x, and plus does nothing, so it is just 5 minus x. And then we substitute. Okay, this is negative 4, so 5 minus negative 4. And then we have our answer. Equals to 9. Okay. But what if we substitute first? So let's see what will happen. So we'll have 5 plus, and I have to use a mid bracket here because I know that is going to be a small bracket. So and then minus, substituting the x with negative 4. Well, what is this? Actually, this expression is unclear. So it's plus, minus, so plus or minus, and then so what to do? So actually, it showcases that there's something hidden when we use a bracket. There's actually a negative 1 in here. Then we can calculate normally. So we have 5 plus, this is positive 4. Then we have positive 9 again. More on this in videos later.